frick! Yeah, I'm gonna be real here. I have not been out to like the actual yard in like days, 5 to be specific, and yours truly forgot to put the workshop back, which is something I should have just done off camera, like, you know, back here. You know, I think on like if I were to do this for an episode, which I am now, because, you know, myself here apparently never did this off camera like I was supposed to. It's all still in here. Right. Allow me to explain. You see, the workshop consists of this stuff. Well, you've all known that. Or if you're new to this series, then yeah, that's a serious fact. I thought I just made that clear real quick. Oh, and we need this too. Oh, this thing's heavy. This thing's actually heavy. Holy frick. Forgot how heavy that thing is. Oh, wait. I think this door goes first. Right. And now. Done. First things first. This. Oh, give me just 1 second. So, you see, the rock jar. Holy frick, this thing's heavy. Oh. It normally goes right here if you remember. But my god, that thing's heavy. Holy frick. You know, why is this still out here now that I think about it? As for the rest of this. Okay, I'm honestly not gonna lie. I had a good feeling that was gonna happen. Oh, and this too. Yeah, I will not be surprised if it broke any of the path. Which, just to be completely honest, we should honestly just replace the wood on this path at this point, or most importantly, just build an entirely new path in general. I think I said a little while back, sometime last year, we would do that, and it's been almost a year since I originally set that, and we still haven't done it yet. So hopefully that's in the future. That would be really nice. And then again, hopefully we can get some pavers to cover all the grass back here so we don't have to keep weed whacking it every time. Because good God, let me tell you, that can get annoying. Really annoying. But look how destroyed this is now. This was back in December 2019 when we first implemented that wood path. It's been almost 4 years. Good Lord, man, we need to really fix it. Oh! Okay, that happened. Out of freaking nowhere. By the way, if you're curious what this is, well, of course it's, you know, a dust broom, of course. Of course, it's mainly to clean off this project table whenever I need to. Because it can get dirty sometimes. So right now I'm putting the workshop back together. Dang. In fact, holy frick. I have kept these balls for so long that I don't even know what else to do with them. I'm not getting rid of them. No. They are purely classics to this series. And genuinely speaking, give me just 1 second. Ugh. I should have honestly placed that somewhere else. And I'm referring to the bin, so I don't have to keep climbing over. At least now that I'm on this side, I can go ahead and do this. But my God, we need to inflate that thing. Good Lord, we need to inflate that thing very, very soon. Because, yeah, look at that thing. We need to inflate it with some air. And probably this too. Although it's really old, considering I've had it since 2016. Like July 18th, 2016. And, yeah. As for this, we do inflate it every once in a while whenever we use it. The problem is, it's probably going to be a good while until we use it again. You know, I normally only use it probably like once or twice a year for its legitimate purpose. And that's actually kind of sad when you think about it. And you know what also is a problem? The fact that I barely use these anymore. Especially this and this. And this. I've used this not long ago. But it's still been some time. I need to really use them again. I think we'll have a backyard games. I think I declare we will have a backyard game sometime in the year. But oh boy. Oh boy. Yeah, we may get one. Hopefully. Woo! You know, honestly, I'm completely fine with that actually, just staying like that. Oh yeah, I do have some fall decorations to show you, but that's not going to be the next episode, but the next episode after. Because I do have some fall decks to show you. And then lastly, the rings are just going to go right here. And there we go. The workshop is put back together. Crazy. Now, most importantly you, to be exact, Bill, get out of here!